Hello there, everybody. Matt Gilbert here with another exciting episode of VTTU. So in the last episode, you may have seen our valiant effort at fencing in the garden. And I'm here to tell you today that it was a spectacular failure. Not only did it not prevent the critters from getting in, it didn't work. I don't know what to tell you. So, what are we doing today? Well, as you can see here, I have some nice young peppers, and whatever it is that's been decimating what's in our garden, well, it loves young peppers. So today we're coming here, and this is kind of like that scene in Jurassic Park where they put the goat out, except I mean a little less graphic, hopefully. So anyway, so here's there we go. I just got an alert on my phone, motion in the garden, and that's me. Man, this dill is like really knocking itself about. I'm gonna do a little trimming here. Strong dill. Anyway, quick little garden tour before we go out and do some fishing. That's right, this is an episode of VTTU. Not everything on VTTU is fishing, but a lot of it is. So the acorn squashes and stuff, they're doing really good in here. We have our first snapdragon, looking beautiful. Very thankful for that. The white zinnias are really popping. You know, you can see like this pink one here. It's, you know, not a ton of volume to it, but this white one has like 1, 2, 3 stems. It's going off. Pumpkins are looking happy. The cantaloupe is just mind-blowing to me. I don't understand this plant at all. All I know is that this is the same plant. Like this piece and this piece, they're the same. Shows I know jack shit about this. So our zucchinis are looking good. This younger one is almost flowering. The older one here is already flowering and looking nice. Fort beans has been a total failure. I thought I was protecting the beans, but turns out I was just creating an environment for the ivy to thrive. So yeah, anyway, that needs some work. Basil's looking good. Eggplants have been proper wrecked by the beetles. Wow. Man, some of these are just not. This poor guy, look at that. It's gotta hurt Jim. Anyway, but you know, we do have some success going on here with the eggplant. It's not all, you know, not all death and taxes. So these are Tithonia torch, and they're looking great. I'm really excited to see these flower, and I can see it's starting to go off, but we're not quite there yet. This is your cucumbers on fence. This is your cucumbers not on fence. So these guys need to get fenced up, and some more of the beans are going to go outside over here, but we'll talk about that later. A couple of the surviving peppers, they're still here. Yeah. So we do have a security camera here pointed at the beans, I do have a security camera here pointed at the peppers, so if something gets them, we'll know. But I mean, they've been back. They are just voracious little bastards. Whatever it is, I don't know. The whole point of this camera is to figure out like what it is to begin with. So the tomatoes are looking extra happy, I have to say. I'm really pleased with how they're doing this year. Let's see, I think I know I saw some fruit in here somewhere. Oh yeah, there's one down here. Nice tomato going there. Cool. So these are a couple heirloom varieties, and these are snackers. They definitely need some more pole work, but oh yeah, look at all those. Look at all them tomatoes in there. It's gonna be good. Anyway, this has been a short tour of the garden. I put the peppers out there. Hopefully we find out what it is, because the fencing that we did is kind of pointless. A little sad about that. So anyway, we'll be back in a little bit. Let's go get the boat ready. Actually, no, the boat is ready. We need to make a trip first to Cold Hollow, so I'll catch up with you there. Welcome to another episode of VTTU. I'd like to thank our guest camerawoman, Renee today, for assistance and coming along on a crazy adventure with us. How's it going? go, Monica? How are you doing?
I'm hot. I'm ready to take off the shirt. No.
Getting saucy. All right. Let's get this thing in the water.
Alright, yeah, he's back. There's kayakers! Matt, stop!
I hear you.
Oh yeah. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. Okay, stop! He's gonna be in the back. I think now he's gonna try to figure it out.
Okay.
75 pounds or whatever, and he goes, he paddles 7, then he paddles Viper 42, Viper 44, Viper 46.
How was that for entertainment?
You're very entertaining for myself, at least.
So I guess ladies first. We'll get you guys in here. I'll kind of stabilize it from the back here.
You know, there's
And
like in the
yeah, hop
full-on sprint boat.
on in.
You think I should go in the middle? Yeah.
I think you
I
should go in the
think-
middle, correct, Monica?
Yeah. You need to hold her.
What about untying the boat though?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Could you hold these rods up so I don't accidentally like scrape my leg on a hook?
Let me see that guy there.
It's so. Wait, this light.
Spot number 1. We're here under the overpass on the Lamoille River. Today is July 5th, 2021, and this is VTTU. Today we are jigging in about 30 feet of water, trying to find some bass or some panfish. They're here. Just gonna take some time.
It always takes time.
Yeah, it always takes time. Sure. This is our first day ever having 3 people on the boat. It's going pretty well. I'd say weight distribution's on point, and actually pretty comfortable and stable. What do you think, ladies?
I'm good.
Renee, how do you feel up there? All right, good. That sounds like good enough to me.
Okay, yeah, so I definitely do not know what fish on means. So Matt's screaming, fish on, and then a fish coming and flying, hitting the boat right next to me.
Too. Oh yeah.
Have no idea what to expect.
Yeah. Beautiful, beautiful smallmouth.
First
So
fish of the
you were
day.
saying Coach Gilbert, right?
Yeah.
One thing we can notice about this fish is that it has the parasitic disease that you'll see in the Northeast a little bit. It's something that comes from bird poop, and then it gets into the fish, and then the birds eat the fish, and such the life cycle continues. So we wouldn't want to eat this guy, but beautiful, beautiful fish.
Yeah.
Oh.
First fish of the day, just after 4 o'clock.
Zoom! Oh.
And we used it on
Thank you. thank
wacky
you.
rig and
wait.
orange little grub.
Well, it's like a jig head. It's kind of a Ned rig jig
Yeah,
head,
it's
and
a
it's
Ned
got
rig.
it's weedless too. It's got this orange stuff on there. It's got what fish crave. I see them in there.
Orange
There's
grub.
even more under there. Yeah, like I said, just get it down.
What an experience.
Oh yeah.
100% did not know what to expect with the fish hit this side of the boat and
Yeah.
splashed me. I was like, wait.
I thought that was the rod. Like,
And I literally
had
just
no
put it on the
idea.
bottom, and I'm like jigging it up and down.
That's what I'm trying to do.
Okay, my line is kind of in between the slog and the boat, so let me pull that up first.
Drop my head this way.
I don't know if you can see
These
that.
guys are actually attacking this thing. So
Oh,
basically what happens is these guys come in, and then the thing that I caught is eating them.
Yeah.
So the fact that they're around, like, just get your stuff down. Oh my god. We're gonna bump in a second. It's okay.
yeah. It's fine. I don't think anything can scare
Yeah,
me
you
as
can see
much
the-
as a flying
the stripe.
fish to my
You
face.
can actually see the stripe on the bottom.
Right. Right.
That's
We have no captain.
Matt-
Captain of the boat is off the boat, and we're drifting away. And we're drifting away. Matt, you still want to? We're drifting away.
Wait,
I'm telling you.
right?
I hear you, I hear you.
Like, how do you
There's
want this to
nothing-
Oh
work?
my
Yeah.
gosh, there is a giant smallmouth in here. I'm gonna try and get him. Do you see that?
All I know is I'm holding on with fingertips and like
Right.
no real grip on anything, so you don't end up in the river permanently.
Right. We're not
Yeah,
trying to
allow
leave you
me.
hanging here.
Yeah.
Allow me to alleviate your calm. This is actually really stable, surprisingly so. Can you move your rod for a second, Monica?
This is some real
I've never done
special
this before.
episode stuff.
Oh yeah, yeah, yeah.
Exclusive.
Right.
Is this cheating? I don't know. Can't really tell.
You are one with nature. That is all that matters.
What if you catch one and you fall backwards and hit your head go
Oh,
on the bow of the boat?
I would prefer not to do that, but
Well, this is
if anything, you probably have a better grip with your feet alone than the sandals.
the flip flop exactly.
You gotta go back to like caveman life.
Right.
Okay, and my thing is getting knotted, so that's fun.
Mm-hmm.
As I'm here trying to capture this exclusive footage.
oh my gosh. Just need a way to like tie onto this thing. You can stop recording for a second.
Oh.
Thank you. No, this is
An expensive lure to catch.
No, it's a big swim head.
Bye bye to the tree area.
Here we won't be making it to the dam.
for real. I don't think we're going to. Here,
No.
send us. Oh, thanks, Renee.
No problem. Getting all the footage, you know.
You're doing a good job. You're hired.
All right, all right. I mean, this is basically what I do in any of my social media jobs. I'm like, catch everything.
That's true.
Then you can filter through it later.
That's so true.
That's why I have like 100 million pictures to filter through.
Oh, so we are in 3 feet of literally weeds. I'm not even gonna bother to get tangled down there because everything I have on is heavy jigs, and yeah, that'll get lost.
Tell the people, how are you feeling right now?
Excellent.
We have a glimmer of hope. There's stuff on the fish finder. We felt some bites. It is sunset, so they should be getting active. And we'll just have to throw what we got.
Let me see
Yep,
that camera.
I feel some. I
Let
feel.
me show what
Yeah, and my
yeah.
rod is.
the fish finder is going nuts. There is so much going on here, and it's just a matter of time before one of us hooks up. Here, take that.
How are you doing, Renee?
Huh?
On this beautiful sunset.
I am chilling. This is perfect. I am on retreat.
I'm on retreat, yeah, for
Basically.
real.
I would like to lay out and take a nap and just float in the water,
Right.
but that probably would be unsafe.
I mean,
So for now, I am enjoying the sunset and relaxing and waiting until something pulls.
Yeah. That is the name of the game right now.
oh, huge big ball over there. Wow.
I think I feel. It is officially 7:45.
7:45, it's getting dark. We're about to head back. We've got bites. We got no fish. It's been a slow day. Kinda. Lots of bites. Lots of bait fish, lots of sight fishing. Not for any big ones. That's the story. And I'm sticking to it. Action.
It's true, yeah.
One
Smallmouth.
smallmouth.
That was it.
But it's been beautiful weather,
81.
beautiful sunset. Yeah.
Fishing's not all about catching. Catching's bonus. That's what they say.
I can't catch fish.
No, I want to catch fish. Says the kid in the back.
Yes. And we had a lot of clear water today too. Just lovely. So peaceful. It's a beautiful sunset too.
Good 4th of July.
Right. Check it off the list. Understood.
All right, so for the first time ever in VTTU, we actually have a fish coming out of the water. Amazing. Oh, just a little rock bass, but still. Nice way to end the day, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. How's it going, little red eyes?
There's a bunch that fit in this thing. Oh, look at this. What is this? No close.
Awesome.
Solid. Thank you, Renee.
No problem.
See you later, little guy. I had a feeling there would be something in there. Sky's looking beautiful.
It
This is an excellent day.
Okay.
All right.
Yes, what just
so,
happened?
I just caught fish, and
Monica
it
got
was
a big one.
smaller than my hook. It was the tiniest baby perch ever, but that's the type of bait fish that are in here. So I don't know if I can say that counts. The boat isn't skunked. We got 2 for Matt, half for me. Renee's got some bites. It's been a lovely day.
There we go. Yes.
But that was
Hopefully we'll
too
find
funny.
something in here.
They're all just following the bait, but that's the kind of fish I've been catching today. It's just the babies that haven't been biting the big ones. Oh, see? Oh, almost another one. Getting real. Post sunset.
Right.
A little oil.
We're currently at 8:20 p.m.
8:20, really?
Oh, that's a beaver. That's a fucking beaver. That's a beaver and a half.
Oh, all right, fine.
That was awesome. Yeah, don't hook the beaver.
Do not record me.
No.
Oh, great work, Renee.
Yeah.
That was awesome.
No
Beaver
paparazzi.
sighting.
Right. Oh, there is that. No, I was like, is that another one? It's a log.
The cool thing-
The day is officially wrapped up.